What is Instagram Reels? How can you use this new Instagram Reels feature to grow your account? Okay, so Instagram Reels just came out yesterday and it is essentially TikTok now on Instagram. You know how they came up with the stories a few years ago to compete with Snapchat and now have completely destroyed Snapchat? They're trying to do the same thing here with Instagram Reels. The difference is you can only have a video between 3 and 15 seconds. Let me show you how you can use your Instagram Reels and potentially grow your account on Instagram with them. Okay, so once your Instagram has updated to the latest version, you will not immediately be granted with this new section on your home screen, which has your Reels in. This only comes up after you've posted your first Reel, Instagram Reel. To do that, you just come over here to your home and you want to go swipe over into the stories where you would normally do a story. You'll notice the layout was different. I noticed it earlier. I was like, what's going on here? I'm trying to make a story. It's all different now. So we've got the standards, stories, and live here. They're the same. And we've got this new one, Reels. So in here, if you wanted to create a video, you just hold down your record and it would record just like you were on your Instagram stories or on TikTok. But we don't want that video, so we can go back and we can push delete and it's going to discard that video. You can pick music just like you were on TikTok and you can listen to the music here, sample it. The TikTok song. This is controlling your speed, which is a common thing to do on TikTok if you want to do dances and things at time to certain functions. Here is your effects. This is where it gets a bit funky. You scroll across, so you wanted to have Google eyes, put your eyes in, and then you hit record. And now you will have a section of googly eyes. And you can record multiple sections like you do on TikTok and build it up over time. So you want to pick a song, you can pick a song, or you can make your own thing. Let's go for Stranger Things. You select the section of the song you want. Go into your effects, pick on an effect, hit record, the music starts playing, you get your face in there, do something weird. You want to pick a different effect, go back to your effects, scroll across, pick a different effect, you can do a warthog, put your face in, now I'm a warthog. Do another effect, you get the idea. I will leave it up to you to play about with all of the different effects in here. Oops, I just moved the camera. All the different many effects. Then there'll be more and more coming. I'm not the biggest TikToker in the world. I don't know how to dance, so I cannot really compare them to what is on TikTok, but they are quite good in terms of what they do, quite funny. You can use this timing function. So you can set a timer, which is again a common thing on TikTok if you wanted to time your different sections. In between takes. This is to align, to match up your previous take to your next take to make sure everything is perfectly coherent. Often when people are doing like those fake magic type videos, this is an easy way for them to replicate that. If you want to add in your own video, you can do here. We use the add media. You can find a video, add it in, select your range that you want to add. 3 to 15 seconds, and then you can click upload. Link copied. Then we go next, and now we have that video from TikTok onto here. But if it was a minute video on TikTok, that wouldn't work. It's 3 to 15 seconds max. And once you've finished your video, you click next. You can add in now all of your standard story things. You can add in stickers, move them about. You can add in text. Don't bother putting your hashtags here though. Like in the Instagram stories, you'd normally put your hashtags here. Forget about doing that. You want to go to the next screen to put on your hashtags. And here you get to write a caption. So you can first select your cover, just like on TikTok. You select your cover, write a caption. This is here where you can put in your hashtags. And this is the part which allows you to grow. because not many people are going to be using Reels yet. Because this is super new, Instagram loves to promote it. And it's all over the hashtag feeds today. And if you can get in there early before people start using it, this will give you a massive boost up. But you'll only have a couple of weeks before it's going to be completely overtaken by everybody using it. So if you get in now and early, you can potentially grow your Instagram using the hashtag Reels before other people take over. So put in your hashtag. You want to do hashtag Reels Instagram, hashtag Warthog, and then you can post to your feed. You just click share and it will now send it to your feed. You can also send it to your stories, but you can also share it from your feed to your stories afterwards if you wanted to do that. Finishing up, go to your profile. Now you'll have your section. You can come across to your section and there is your video. Just like that. Perfect. If you wanted to delete the video, click here and you click delete. You can share it to stories as well. Oh, let's share externally. Share to stories, this one here. Share it to your story. Or delete. And then it's gone. So that is Instagram Reels in a nutshell. You can use this to your advantage to get in early and hopefully grow your account. And you want to know the best part that I suspect is going to be about Reels right now if you get in early? Reels is trying to compete with TikTok, and a massive appeal and reason people like to do TikTok is because you have this potential to grow to hundreds of thousands of followers overnight organically with just 1 or 2 videos. It enables you to draw in a fan base much easier than the grind you have to do on Instagram for many months just to even get some momentum. You can overnight become famous or TikTok famous. So for Instagram to really be able to compete with TikTok, they're going to have to do something similar with their Instagram Reels, because otherwise why would anybody ever come over to Instagram and use them? People are using TikTok, 1, yes, because it's fun, but 2, because they want to grow, they want to gain a following. And if they have to grind it out, they might as well just use TikTok because it's much quicker and much easier to grow there than on Instagram. And so Instagram they have to do something to enable you to grow at a rapid rate with Instagram Reels. It may not be as fast as on TikTok, but an Instagram follower is worth a lot more than a TikTok follower. But it's going to have to be easier than, using posts and using stories to grow your account. That is the only way to compete. So I have a sneaky suspicion that if you get in here now and you start making pretty decent content on it, they're going to spike you right up there. Like, Instagram is all still about high quality content, unlike on TikTok where you can just post almost anything and get famous. I don't think that's going to be the case here. I think your content still needs to be of high quality. But if it is, and you can consistently do that, say maybe 10, 20, 30 videos, I think that's all it may take for you to be able to pop on Instagram Reels. And if it takes more than that, then nobody's going to use it. So give it a shot, because potentially this could be like the Wild West of Instagram again. And that has the massive benefit of growing an Instagram following to a larger number, which is worth so much more than having a TikTok following. The established systems in play for you to monetize and to direct people to other places from Instagram is so high now, and it is so established. The influencer market of Instagram is worth billions. This now gives you a path into there, a shortcut, if you use it well. So what you're going to look out for to actually create this content, they're going to be Reels trends, just like TikTok trends. Get on those, get on them early, let them help you boost, and then create original, high quality content that is creative and provides value to other people in one fun, quick, entertaining ways, or be inspiring, or whatever it is, quick tips. It doesn't matter how you provide value, make sure it provides value for other people, and then look out for those trends. Those are going to be the two big factors. Use hashtags the same. I've got a massive video you can find on my channel about how to use hashtags effectively on Instagram. It's the same principles here. Use those hashtag strategies. It's called the hashtag buckets. And move in now, because if TikTok is banned in America, all of those people are just going to flood back onto Instagram and start using it. Get in there now, and you could be the next. Charli D'Amelio, is that her name? The TikTok one? You know, the TikTok one? Is there other famous TikToks? That's the one I know, Charli D'Amelio. You could be the next Charli D'Amelio, but on Instagram, which is worth so much more. Hopefully this video helped you understand Instagram Reels a bit better. If you want other ways to grow your Instagram account, I have both videos on organic and paid methods of doing it. You can check those out on my channel. And I hope you have a fabulous day. Please subscribe if you found it worthy. Ethan out.